Welcome to the Stay Safe tutorials. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create roles and assign them to users. If you do not want to carry out the Stay Safe audit alone, you can create additional users to whom you assign appropriate rights. One with rights for integrations and one without. First, click on Roles on the left menu bar. Then click on plus to create a new role. Choose a meaningful name for the role, then decide on the permissions you want to give to your co-auditors. There are two different permission levels, the company level and the hotel level. For Stay Safe, your co-auditors actually do not need any rights on company level. You can skip the first part altogether. Only if you plan to create and conduct your own audits with Flowtify, in addition to the Stay Safe audits, you might want to share some of the permissions that are available on company level. So let's move on to the department level. In case your co-auditor is also in charge to resolve deficits, checkmark the deficit list option. If he is allowed to see audit results and stats, then checkmark this box too. Calendar you can skip and move on to the most important feature on department level, integrations. Integrations is where you update month by month your Stay Safe audit. If the auditor is trustworthy, give him permission to update the Stay Safe self-assessment in case you should be out of office when it's time for the next audit. Department settings is probably not needed for you or co-auditors. Click on Save. Let's create a second role with limited access rights. Click on the plus for a new role, choose an appropriate name for the second role and select Deficit List and Audit Results on department level before you save. Now select Accounts in the left menu bar. Your administrator account is already listed. For additional user accounts, click on the plus. Define a username and enter the email address of this user. Create a preliminary password for this user that he can change anytime. Select the appropriate role and then choose the Department tab to assign the appropriate hotel to this user. Click on the plus for the second user. Enter the username and his email address, create a password, then select the appropriate role for this user and assign him to the desired hotel before saving. You can create as many roles and accounts as you like. All co-auditors will be informed before the next audit is coming up so that you can be assured that the next self-assessment will not be missed.